Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to reset your PayPal password if you forgot it or anything similar. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So this is going to be our home page where we can get started with logging into our account or signing up for an account, depending whichever you prefer. If you already have an account and you want to reset your password because you forgot it, this is what you can do. We can click the login option right here. By clicking login in the upper right corner is going to enable us to get started with logging in with our info. So you have your info right here, such as your email, you have your password, and so on. And let's say you forgot your password. So if you want to reset your password, all you have to do is just click the forgot password option right here. By clicking forgot password at the bottom of the login bar, it's going to enable you to go ahead and text a code to yourself. You can text yourself a code to your phone number, or you can text yourself an email where you're going to go ahead and receive a code, whatever option you choose. Once you click next, it's going to take you to the next page where you'll be able to enter in the code that you have gotten. So by entering the code, it's going to enable you to set up a new password that you want to use with your account. And from there, guys, you'll be able to go ahead and get started with setting up a new password that you want to use by using the code, and it's easy as that to reset your password. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.